Looking for the cordless planer but not sure where to start? Today we're ranking the 5 most talked about models from weakest to best so you can pick the one that truly fits your needs. This planer lands at the bottom of our list. The FINEC is a budget-friendly cordless planer with surprisingly high motor speed for its price point. On paper, it promises fine depth adjustment and a decent cutting width of 3/4 inches, which puts it right in the range of bigger name competitors. Where this model stands out is its brushless motor and precision knob settings. A high RPM like 22,000 is rare in this category, which could mean cleaner cuts if the rest of the tool holds up. It's also lightweight and compact enough to appeal to hobbyists or those needing occasional planing. But here's the catch. There's very little information on its battery compatibility, dust collection, or real-world performance. Compared to established brands like Bosch or DEWALT, you're taking a gamble with warranty and long-term support. This might not be your go-to for daily heavy-duty use. I'd say the FINEC is a tool for someone experimenting with woodworking or needing a backup planer without breaking the bank. If you're curious to check it out, I've linked this and all other products at the best prices in the description below. Next up is the MtiolHig cordless planer. This one immediately looks like an upgrade over the FINEC because it's compatible with DEWALT's 20-volt battery system, which many woodworkers already use. It boasts a brushless motor and similar cutting depth, so on paper it's a strong competitor in the affordable cordless planer space. The big selling point here is the DEWALT battery compatibility. That means if you already have DEWALT tools, you're not buying into a new ecosystem. It also features a safety switch and claims to allow quick blade changes. For its price point, it promises a lot. However, like the FINEC, the MtiolHig lacks third-party reviews. Its dust collection and performance under load are unclear, which can be a deal breaker if you're serious about finish quality. This is where it still lags behind major brands with years of refinement. This one's best for DIYers who already have DEWALT batteries and want to take a chance on a cheaper alternative to the official DEWALT model. And hey, if you're enjoying this roundup so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tool reviews. In the middle of our list is the Milwaukee cordless planer. This is a very different tool from the first two. It's a compact trim planer designed for precision tasks. While the cutting width is just 2 inches, this makes it ideal for scribing, fitting doors, and small-scale adjustments rather than flattening wide boards. The 25-24-20 stands out for its dual chip ejection, lightweight at just over 3 pounds, and 21 fine depth increments. It's built for finish carpenters who value control over raw material removal. It's also part of the M12 battery system, which makes it incredibly portable. Its limitations are obvious though. Narrow cutting width and lower voltage mean it's not for heavy stock removal. If you're after raw power or planing wide surfaces, this isn't the tool for you. Still, for trim work and precision tasks, it's a fantastic pick and arguably one of the most specialized planers on the list. Now we're getting into the heavy hitters. The DEWALT is a true all-rounder, offering a solid balance of power, depth control, and build quality. It's part of DEWALT's proven 20-volt max system, so batteries and chargers are easy to find. This planer offers a precision machine shoe for perfectly flat cuts, a kickstand to protect your workpiece when you set it down, and a chamfer groove for edge finishing. It's everything you would expect from a big-name manufacturer. Its downsides are almost in the dust collection department. It doesn't ship with a dust bag, and chip ejection can get messy without a vacuum attached. It's also a bit heavier than some competitors, which may be noticeable over longer sessions. If you're a serious DIYer or a pro looking for a reliable cordless planer that can handle a variety of jobs, the DEWALT is a solid investment. At the top of our list is the Bosch, and for good reason. It's the most balanced and feature-packed planer of the bunch, combining power, precision, and smart design. What makes this Bosch stand out is its single-blade cutter head, which simplifies blade changes and reduces alignment errors. Dual chip ejection lets you direct shavings left or right, and it even includes a dust bag. Add to that on-tool blade storage, chamfer grooves, and a brake that stops the cutter quickly, it's clear Bosch thought about real-world use. There are still minor trade-offs. It's a bare tool, so you'll need to provide your own battery, and it's not feather light once the battery is attached. But these are minor issues compared to its overall capability and refinement. If you're after the best cordless planer in this lineup, Bosch delivers. It's ideal for both professionals and serious hobbyists who demand precision and convenience in one package. So there you have it, the 5 cordless planers ranked from weakest to best. Check out the links in the description below to see today's top picks at the best prices. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tool reviews and comparisons.